got a cleaner for this and a spray for that, but only a few essentials are required to do a bang-up job cleaning practically anything.
Speaking of sprays, I think I'm due for a spray tan. Oh, God, you're getting a little pasty.
Stay tuned to find out how to clean all your stuff with the absolute must-have products for every home. I realized how helpful slightly damp rags or towels were. I've created an all-natural Swiffer for cleaning pet fountains, mildly abrade every surface of the fountain to remove the slime that builds up with use. A sponge with the scrubby side, dish soap, and a pipe brush are essential for this too. Conversely, filling a mop bucket with water and a bit of dish soap can be used to clean every surface in your house besides wood floors. The only things that get scrubbed with a brush in my house are tile and grout, because nothing else in the home requires such abrasion and vigor when cleaning.
Check this out, you're not gonna believe this. Louis Armstrong called. He said he wanted to sing my opening jingle. Can you believe this guy?
Sincerely, Sammy. Sincerely, Sammy Shaw.
Before we get to the products, let's discuss one of my favorite cleaning tricks. It really is a game changer. Like many discoveries, mine was uncovered organically. I realized how helpful slightly damp rags or towels were because they were what was left over after I was done cleaning. So my hack became putting all my towels for cleaning in the wash on a speed cycle, low soil, very hot water with Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day laundry detergent, and setting the spin speed to the one right above no spin, meaning without coming out of the washer sopping wet, this leaves the towels as damp as possible. So in essence, I've created an all-natural Swiffer, which is preferable to the actual one because Swiffer products have been shown to cause asthma, respiratory issues, as well as developmental and reproductive toxicity. Not to mention, they're not very environmentally friendly. So start collecting towels you can use as cleaning rags now. They're great in all sizes too. Bath, beach, and hand and face towels as well. It doesn't matter if they're colored or have designs either because they're for cleaning. Once they're done with that wash cycle, take them out from the washer one towel at a time as needed. They literally can clean anything.
I use them for furniture, ceiling fans, glass, mirrors, remote controls, light switches, windowsills, kitchen, countertops, appliances, and bathrooms.
They're excellent for wiping the floorboards and fabulous for cleaning my bidets. Although after they've been used on a bidet, they go to the dirty pile, and I don't use them on anything else until I've washed them again for obvious reasons. Also, because I have bidets on all 4 toilets in my house, I don't own any toilet bowl brushes. Instead, I wear gloves and use soft sponges or towels on my bidets because otherwise the plastic will scratch, and those things are damn expensive. The only things that get scrubbed with a brush in my house are tile and grout, because nothing else in the home requires such abrasion and vigor when cleaning, and most things will become permanently scratched by a brush. But I love Wyman stainless steel wipes for cleaning my stove. They easily remove baked-on stains, polish my stainless steel, and leave no streaks as if new every time. Dyson makes the best vacuums. I use my Dyson for my first floor, on my stairs, and for cleaning my upholstered furniture. There are specific attachments for each of these functions. I have a Roomba J9 Plus for my upstairs and love it. It's very effective at cleaning my floors and bull hides, and I can schedule it to clean whenever it's convenient. When I clean, my preference in order is to first wipe all upper surfaces down with a damp towel or rag. Then I vacuum, and then I use my Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro Multi-Surface Wet Dry Vac to eliminate pet messes and debris from tile, sealed wood, rubber floor mats, rugs, and more. Conversely, filling a mop bucket with water and a bit of dish soap can be used to clean every surface in your house besides wood floors.
Johnny, they say it's terminal.
Oh no, Daisy!
Yes, it's true.
Well, did they give you any more information?
They said it was terminal C.
Oh God, not terminal C, cancer!
No, Johnny, terminal C at DFW. My flight will be leaving in less than half an hour.
Oh God, you're gonna miss your flight!
Tell me about it. I mean, I don't even know what gate it is.
Oh God, how could they do this? Those animals. I mean, it could be C1 through 25, or C26 through 37, or C38 through...
It's just come through in the app, Johnny. It's C26.
God, Daisy, how will you ever get there in time? Will you take a shuttle, or
walk really fast on those stairless escalator thingies? I don't know, Johnny. Just hold me close.
2 cleaning products are essential to a shower: Soft Scrub and CLR. Soft Scrub is a mild liquid rubbing compound with bleach. It's incredible for tile and grout. CLR, which stands for calcium lime rust, removes hard water stains on your shower glass, shower heads, and bath and shower trim. The longer you let CLR sit, the more effective it is. You can also clean shower and faucet heads this way, so all of their spouts are hard water deposit free. Magic erasers are awesome, but I mostly use them on walls and sneakers. They are a mild rubbing compound in solid form. Need to clean your kicks? Aside from a magic eraser, I use a very hard bristled toothbrush and soft scrub. Just be sure you tape up everything you don't want to get bleached. For cleaning pet fountains, mildly abrade every surface of the fountain to remove the slime that builds up with use. A sponge with the scrubby side, dish soap, and a pipe brush are essential for this too. Grout on floors can be a nightmare. Here's my trick. I sprayed Grout Ease on the grout, add a little water with a big sponge, spread the Grout Ease all over the whole floor area that has the grout, and then use an upright grout brush gently, because it will literally scrape away your grout if you're not careful. And once you've gotten your grout back to where it started, pour a good amount of water on the floor and use all of those dry rag towels, the ones you keep in the middle sterilite bin, to mop up the water and wipe the tiles down. Then, when I'm done with all my towel rags, I throw them in the washer with all of my bleachable dish towels, add non-splash bleach, and do a towel cycle. The more towels in there, the more agitation and cleaner they get. Now let's talk about the science!
Science! She blinded me!
The science behind Swiffers' cleaning ability is electrostatic attraction. Swiffers act like magnets, attracting dust, allergens, and dust mite matter. This happens because of electrostatics. The Swiffer pad is negatively charged, which attracts the protons of dust particles and makes them stick. The benefit of using a clean, damp towel instead is that not only does a damp towel also create an electrostatic attraction, but you're not creating all this landfill waste by using and reusing damp towels. Also, a damp towel isn't toxic to living things.
And you're not just picking up dust particles, but wiping down the surfaces too, removing fingerprints, smudges, and stains, which Swiffer doesn't do.
But enough about that. I think it's time for some cat! Okay, that's it for this show, he, she's, and theys. Be sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, have fun, be safe, and try to learn some stuff. Damn it!
Talking about credit, where credit is due. Slipping and slap together for Sammy. Right